ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
My name is Mahanandi. I am a physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the friction. What is the friction? How many types of frictions? That friction, how to producing? Now we will discuss. First of all, what is the friction? Friction means if you any one of the moving of body is another of the surface both in between is forming is called a friction. Suppose this is the one body is moves body, this is one surface, my hand is one of the surface. If you any one body I kept here means this marker of the body and hand of the surfaces in between releasing is the force is called a frictional force. Frictional force are how many types? Friction are three types. One is the static friction and another one is the dynamic friction or kinetic friction, and the third one is the rolling friction. Now we will discuss about one by one. Static friction first. What is the explanation of static friction? If you any one body having on the surfaces, we can apply any external force. That body is not moving. That is called a static friction. Suppose any one of the horizontal surfaces having horizontal surface on the one body of mass having m. Now if you any external force applied on the body, but this body is not moving, not moves, means that is called a static friction. But static friction is producing on the body of the and surface in between only is produced, but the friction is releasing on the exactly force applied of the opposite direction. The magnitude are same. What next is second one? What is the dynamic friction or kinetic friction? Now dynamic friction or kinetic friction, whenever we can apply the force, immediately that body is motion, moves of the body having means that is called dynamic friction or kinetic friction. Next third one, rolling friction. If you any body is continuously rolling on the surfaces having means the body and surfaces in between producing of the friction is called a rolling friction. These are the three types. These one, how to we will representation of the graphically means applied force, what y-axis is frictional force. And now origin position, if you any applied force is applied but body is not moving means frictional force is the constant positions means no frictional forces. This is the no frictional forces. But if your force is continuously applied, frictional force is produced. Because of the frictional force is the static friction to converted of the dynamic friction. Because of that body is motion is started. See here up to these are the body is at rest position, state at rest position. Up to here this motion is the totally is called a static friction. But if you force continuously applied, the body is moves, means that time the releasing of the friction is called a dynamic friction. Here body is moves. Here these are the three frictions, means static friction, dynamic friction, rolling friction. If your body here continuously rolling of the hair, means that is rolling friction. These are the representation of the graphically. Next, if you this type of friction having, means after what happened the loss of frictions and what happened the angle of friction. If your angle of friction means how much angle is taken, if you loss of friction having means how much loss of friction having. Now loss of frictions. What is the explanation of loss of friction? Means the friction is directly proportional to the normal is called a loss of friction. Friction is directly proportional to the normal. Now friction F is directly proportional to the normal. Now this proportionality, what means this proportionality constant F is equal to mu n. Proportionality constant is the mu. This is if your statistical friction means mu s. Fs, statistical friction means Fs. What is the mu s? Mu s is the coefficient of statistical friction. Coefficient of static friction. If you these Fs is the coefficient of static friction, Fs is the static friction is more or not, means this is the maximum of the statistic, means Fs is equal to mu s n is equal to Fl. Fl is the limiting friction. Fs maximum is equal to the limiting friction is equal to mu Sn. Fl means limiting friction. Fs maximum high means now mu s is equal to Fs by n. Now here this is the coefficient of static friction. If you suppose what is the coefficient of kinematic friction? Coefficient of kinetic friction. Mu k equal to Fk by n. If you say coefficient of rolling, mu r is equal to Fr by n. Here totally three frictions having statistic coefficient of static frictions, coefficient of kinematic friction, coefficient of rolling friction. These three coefficient, which one is the more, means statistic friction of the coefficient only more compared to the kinetic and rolling frictions. Mu s is greater than mu k greater than mu r. these are the statistical coefficient of statistic friction only more. But these, if you any friction is depend on the means, if you all the frictions is depend on the nature and material only, depends on nature of material, These are the explanation of the coefficient of kinetic friction, rolling friction and static friction. What is the explanation of next? What is the explanation of law of, now already we have discussed law of friction. Next, angle of friction. How to we can find out the angle of friction means, now angle of friction. What is the explanation of angle of friction means, the angle of the resultant of normal and friction is in between of the and normal and resultant in between of the angle is called a angle of friction. Now if you suppose any one of the horizontal surface, the horizontal surface on the one block having, now this block mass some m having, upward is the block, upward is the normal n having. Now I am applying the some external force is the forward direction F, but exactly opposite direction is produces of the frictional force F. Now the normal and frictional in between of the normal and frictional of the resultant is forming on the exactly in between. This is the resultant R. Now what is the angle of friction means, normal and frictional of resultant and normal in between angle is called a angle of friction. Now resultant of the normal and frictional and normal in between angle is phi. Now phi here having means what happened means, now if you normally upward having means downward gravitational is means, now here frictional left side having same mind mention the frictional F. Generally if you frictional force having means, frictional force formula is the mu s n. Now n is the normal, normal is equal to the normal, n is equal to mg. Now this normal means substitution in the above frictional, Fs equal to mu s mg. This is the static frictional, but what is the resultant here means, apply the Pythagoras method, the resultant is equal to the, here vertically is the normal and horizontally left side is the frictional means, Pythagoras method applied means root of f square plus n square. Now resultant are equal to root of f square plus n square. Already we know f is the mu s n, are equal to mu s square n square plus n square root of. Now here n square and n square is the common terms, n square mu s square plus 1 root of. Now square root cancel means r equal to n is outside root of mu s square plus 1. Already we know n is equal to the mg, means r is equal to n means mg root of mu s square plus 1. These are the range formula, but here angle of friction is phi. What is the angle of friction? How do we can find out? Means tan phi. Tan phi is the opposite angle by adjacent angle. Opposite means what? F by adjacent is the normal n. Tan phi is equal to the Fs means mu s n, mu s n by n. Tan phi mu s n means mg by n means mg. Mg cancel. Tan phi is equal to mu s. If you any angle we will find out the angle of friction, means phi is equal to tan inverse of mu s. This angle is explaining of the angle of friction. Now motion in a horizontal rough surface. Motion in a horizontal rough surfaces means if you any one of the surfaces, one block of mass m having, now mind applying the any external force F. Upward is the normal n, downward is the gravitational force mg. Force applied after immediately opposite is the frictional force of static frictional force is producing. Now here if you suppose here number of cases having. First case, if you suppose my external force is not applied, what happened means external force is not applied means F is equal to 0, but the statistical frictional force what happened means 0. Why means because nothing. Fs is equal to 0. First condition. Second one, F less than Fs maximum. If you applying force, external force is less compared to the static frictional force, means this body is does not moving. Body is not moving, is not moves. That time F is equal to Fs. Already we have discussed Fs is equal to mu s n. F equal to mu s n. Here n means is the normal. Normal is equal to mg. N equal to mg. Now n equal to mg I will substitute here. F is equal to mu s mg. If you now continuously case 3, F is equal to Fs maximum having means. Now external force F is equal to the frictional force having means that time the body is ready to move is started. Body moves is ready. Body moves to ready. If you now continuously applied means that time also F equal to mu s n. But here what is the time? Time is equal at 0 position only. If your time is more having means the body of the frictional force is releasing more, means same above of the condition. If your time is more greater than of the 0, what happen means external force is more compared to the statistical frictional force, means Fs F minus Fs, means if your body is moving means automatically is coming to the kinetic friction K. Now if you how much the body moving of the acceleration, generally acceleration means F net by m. Now here F net of the force is the F external force minus kinetic friction. Now how much the body is moving acceleration means acceleration A equal to F net by m, means F external minus Fk by m. F external means F is equal to Fs. Fs means mu s n, means here S maximum having means that is the limiting friction is called a FL also. Now here FL minus Fk by m. Now F means mu s n, means if you n acceleration equal to mu s means mu l minus mu k into mg by m. Mm cancel. These are the acceleration is equal to mu s or mu l minus mu k into g. These are the explanation of the if you any body moving at the external force is more having that time the body how much acceleration maintain relation with statistic coefficient of statistic friction and coefficient of kinetic friction. These are the explanation of the if you motion in a body at horizontal in rough surfaces. Now bodies contact with vertical. One body is contact with vertically. Now this body of mass m, if this body is not falling purpose, mind applying the sum of the external forces F. Now how much force is mind applied on this body want means if your force is applied on the body normally exactly opposite n is formed. Body its downside is the gravitational force mg. If you two bodies in between of the frictional force is produced, the frictional force is the Fs is upward frictional force. Now here frictional force is Fs is equal to mg. Already we have discussed Fs equal to mu Sn equal to mg. Now here what is the force applied on the body is equal to the normal of forces, means F is equal to n. Now n replace F substitution. mu s F is equal to mg. Now how much force is applied on the body means F is equal to mg by mu s. This is the vertical of the body. Suppose if you any one body of the two side of the pressure we can apply. Body mass m having now two sides of the we can apply the forces. Force here also force applied, but the body of the gravitational force is downside mg. Now first surfaces of the here means the frictional force is the Fs upside, and another surface of the frictional force is Fs upside. Now here two of the frictional forces is the upper side means 2Fs is equal to mg. Already we know Fs equal to mu s n equal to mg. Now normally is equal to the forces. N is equal to F. Now I will split 2 mu s F is equal to mg. F is equal to mg by 2 mu s. If you any two forces is applied on the in between of the body means the force is the minimum is maintained F equal to mg by 2 mu s. Thank you for watching this video.